All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Geared Up. I'm on a massive project just outside of Minneapolis, and I hear we have a way to take the model and see it in the field. And I don't exactly know how that magic happens, but Chris Belo, the superintendent out here, told me he'll teach me a thing or two, but I have to go out in the field and find him, and we'll go check it out. Looks like an iPad on a stick.
Looks like an iPad
I'm hoping it's a bit more than that.
It is.
Okay.
So it's an iPad on a stick,
Sure.
connected to a Trimble GPS
Okay.
with the LiDAR on the iPad, so I can actually measure from the pad and it knows where it's at along with the GPS unit. And then our Revisto 3D BIM model is loaded into the iPad, and I'm able to come out with augmented reality, and I'm able to see our BIM model in real time
Okay.
out in the field.
Yeah.
So as we're coming out to the field and it's a blank slate, I'm actually able to see what the project looks like all the way built before we even put a shovel in the ground.
You can see everything that you would otherwise not would be hidden underground.
Exactly. So we are able to open the ground up essentially and see what's underneath us.
Yeah.
And then we'll show it here. We got an option or a tool called Pit View,
Okay.
and it creates a circle in the ground, and as we go down with it,
Oh,
it shows underneath the ground in a pit essentially.
So basically, you can look at the iPad and see the future or see the as-built.
You can. Yep.
Sick.
So as we're building, our trade partners out here, our electrical, our mechanical, our dirt trade partners doing the site utilities, wet and storm.
Yeah.
They put their as-built in, they give them to our VDC team, they load them into our model.
Got it.
They load it into this model for me, I hit reload.
Got it.
I've got real-time as-builts, and I can pull it up, and I can select any, like say a pipe here, storm pipe. I'm able to see what elevation it was installed at,
Sure.
where it goes, what heading it's sitting at, the slope it was installed at, the diameter of the pipe, what it's made out of, concrete, HDPE.
Wow. So can you show me an example of that?
Yes. So now, as I bring it forward or closer, it's going to start bringing that circle down.
Got you.
And it's going to open up that pit.
It's literally a virtual pit.
Yep.
And we are standing on some sort of structure.
So we have, but after we set the M cup here, we'll have a sanitary catch basin for the condenser lines that come out.
Okay. This isn't installed yet.
So before we got in here, we installed the sanitary pipe underground, and we have a cap. So we can come back and find that cap.
Got it.
But as we're looking, we're like, oh, we need to get down to that sanitary line. Well, guess what? It runs over the top of some smaller power, some medium voltage. Then we got our main medium voltage run that runs all the way north and south up the yard here that feeds the FBSs and PTXs.
Clear as day.
I think.
How accurate? You just feel like you can confidently give this information.
So when I have all my GPSs fully locked in, it's within a ½ inch. In our model, we model in our zone of influence. So when we come out, we know exactly where we're not supposed to be digging into.
Right.
So if we have to come back and do some work, and it's inside that zone of influence, and we have a possibility of undermining one of our foundations,
Sure.
we know, hey, we can't go in there, or we have to be very, very minimally invasive to get in there and do just what we need to do without disturbing underneath that foundation.
All right, my friend. Thank you for taking the time.
Appreciate it, yeah, for sure.
Thank you. All right, well, obviously Chris Belo is onto something here. The ability to see what's going to be built or what has been built on an iPad in the field is an incredible evolution in innovation on projects. So thank you, Chris. I appreciate the help and the teaching today. For those of you at home, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you have any comments, please leave them in. We read every single one, and we'll see you on the next episode of Geared Up.